If you're someone who wants to give coding a crack, or you want to like maybe switch careers or something, it's definitely worthwhile to give FES the time of day. My name is Zimraan. I am a AI and automation developer right now at a company called All in IT Solutions. They're like a Sydney-based agency. Before I found coding, I was interested in going to like design and like animation, all that. But realistically, I saw the work-life balance that a lot of these animators had. I was like, it's not for me personally. I saw David's TikTok pop up. When you search up coding in like YouTube and stuff, the first thing that comes up is mainly front-end development. So then like I had a crack at it. I was like, oh, I enjoyed this. Like I can bring the design elements I wanted from animation into coding essentially. Like bridges that gap. Plus I was already a techie kind of kid. Like I like computers, gaming. So I was like, all right, this seems like the thing for me. And then I signed up for the Frontend Simplified program. So the experience doing the course was pretty easy to get through, you know. So like I started this back in high school. Mind you, I had no experience going in. The most I had seen was a couple YouTube tutorials before that. It was still very easy just to like understand what you're doing in like each lesson. So anything you learn in these lessons, they all interrelate to each other. And then eventually once you have that moment of light bulb moment, like everything clicks, you're like, ah, I understand. This is what my mentor was saying. This is why he was saying it. I understand it now. And no matter what skill level you're at, what age category you are, you're able to understand these concepts and then apply them to your own work. And then down the track, everything just builds on top of each other, lesson by lesson. You're just stacking experience on top of each other. I think community inside of FES was one of the best experiences I've ever had. It was a way that everyone could come together and everyone can give advice, help everyone grow. It was just that sense of coming together and belonging in community. It was one of the best experiences in FES. Someone came into the Discord, they were like, they saw the community growing and like they'd seen the growing on socials and everything. And then they were like, oh, this is my company. We're looking for someone to join in as an intern. One of the mentors saw this and tagged me in the message. And he's like, oh, have a go at this. See if you can get in. I ran, I think it was 3 months internship remotely. But yeah, I was doing that alongside schoolwork. And yeah, so essentially the community helped push me into this internship role and helped me grow and like gain experience. The company I'm working at now, I had started off there as a web developer position and then moved into AI and automation. But yeah, to help me get into the web developer position, that required a lot of front end knowledge, experience. So a lot of the stuff I learned from FES stacked on top of each other to help me pretty much land that role. FES helped get me into the role where I am now at work, but it also helped push me of understanding the fundamentals. That's why now, as alongside was working, I decided to go and start my own startup as well. So a lot of that knowledge that I needed to begin that startup originates from FES. So it's helped not only push me in the sense of getting a career, it's helped push me to go and seek out other ventures and have a go crack at them essentially. So fortunately, yeah, my work-life balance hasn't been compromised a lot. It's just a matter of seeing what the future holds essentially. For anybody willing to get into coding, I'd definitely give FES a shout. Just have a try at it, see if you'll like it. You'll see online people say go into back-end coding, cloud development, AI. Front-end development is the lowest barrier of entry, I find. Like it's easier to just get into it and build something like, wow, I built this like from scratch, from nothing. And then that's sort of like, it leads to like an addiction in a sense, like, oh, I can build this, then I can build this and this and this and this. If you're someone who wants to give coding a crack, or you want to like maybe switch careers or something, it's definitely worthwhile to give FES the time of day. The principles of what it teaches, the classes, and then the mentorship and community with that comes alongside of that. It will really help make the learning experience easier and help push you forward.